Good morning everyone, one more time, Jose Palo Freco. Today's video we're gonna work again on my jazz Mugen R from bumper, Honda Fit GK5. We're gonna install my new suspensions, some one-piece coilovers, because I've been driving for a while on lower sprints. I love the height, but it's too bouncy, and it's time for let them go. It's a nice height for every day, not touching on the speed bumps, drive through and stuff like that, but the quality is not bueno, so we're gonna upgrade that with some one-piece coilovers, rep nice, especially for the price. So some reviews pretty good, so let's go. Right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is, before we remove the suspension, we're gonna remove the bolt that hold the sway link. Right, it's a 14. We're gonna remove the ABS sensor out of the suspension. We're also going to remove the 12mm bolt for the brake line. Then we're gonna remove the two bolts. I think it's a 17 on the nut and 19 on the bolt. So once I remove those two bolts, the suspension in the body is gonna be free. All you're gonna do is pop the spindle out and hold it with a jack in the bottom. So in that way the axle doesn't come out from the transmission, it doesn't wiggle and then get damaged. And then we go on top and remove the suspension from the top. So let's get to work. Now on top, we gotta remove that nut right there. So we got it out. That's the nut, 17. That's a washer. Goes on top. Go exactly like this. That's what is support. That's what holds the suspension on top. This is the auto shock, right? That's how we go in. So out of this, I'm gonna need this rubber piece. It's gonna be on the coilover. Gonna go on the coilover. And I also need that piece right there. So I'm gonna have to remove that bolt so I can use that piece. This is the new coils, Red 9, adjustable damping, adjustable height, more comfortable. They might be used for race track circuit, but I just want to drive more comfortable. See that I put the top hat in. I put I don't know what's the name. I think that's a spindle. No, not spiral washer for the nut. Ready to go in. I did not mess the original compression, so let's see. Now we're ready to go in. Let's finish this thing. The suspension is already hold on top, so now we're gonna finish up the bottom. We're gonna put the knuckle on the suspension, then we add the sway link bar, the ABS sensor, and the brake line. So everybody's bolted. Sway bar link, the suspension, ABS, the suspension, brake line, the suspension. I'm leaving it right now, for now, on the height that they send it. Hopefully it's not too low, hopefully it's not too high. And I put on the softest setting on the damper. So I'm gonna put the rim back on and gonna do the other side. Still have the lower spring in there. So now 3 more to go. We got our front already installed. Now it's time to go to the back. So the first thing we're gonna do, check the car, remove the rim, and let's get to work. Once the car is in the air and with the rim off, the next thing we're gonna do is pull off this bolt right here. So the shock be free in the bottom. Then we're gonna remove the plastic from the interior. There's gonna be a 14 inside on top, and then the shock is out. Then all we have to do is play around with the spring so it come out. shocks are already in. The next thing is to put the coil. We're gonna put the coil on the lower control arm, lift it up with the jack, and then after that it's just gonna be bolt to finalize. It's gonna be bolt the shock on the lower control arm. So all four corners are done. Drop the car, feel good, feel really nice, especially for the price. Still settled in. I like the height. Think I'm gonna leave it like that right now. Let's see later on. Think I'm gonna lower a little bit more, but not now. Once I finished the suspension, you guys saw that I went and showered the car, give a little shower, you know, it's been a little while, and that's it. Come out to do a little video, and thank you for subscribe. Please enjoy. Let me know if you guys like the content. Let me know so we can continue doing more videos like this. We got more mods coming in for the 2016 Honda Fit in Indonesia, Japan, Asian state countries, they call it jazz. And this particular front bumper is a Mugen R, that's why it's really rare.